Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is about self discovery. So क्या होता है self discovery? Most of us get confused when we hear about this word self discovery. So it's a lifelong journey of knowing yourself, who we truly are. आपकी काबिलियत, strength, weakness को समझना is what self discovery is all about. The ultimate destination of this journey is to find out what makes you unique. Now, there are important steps in self discovery. First one is self reflection. So, quiet meditation and relaxation will help you understand your life in a better way. You will come to know about your needs, your values, your preferences, and your belief in life. Lack of self reflection से क्या होता है? We keep doing things in life that are not going well. हालांकि हम तैरते नहीं हैं पानी में, हम सिर्फ पानी के ऊपर सर रखने की कोशिश करते हैं. बट क्या आप ऐसे स्विमिंग कंपटीशन जीत सकते हो? नो, यू कांट इवन रीच द एंड पॉइंट. सो हाउ एंड व्हेन टू प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन? No need to spend long hours doing that. Once in a week can go. Focus on things that has been on your mind that particular week. कुछ अच्छी, कुछ बुरी. ऐसा कई बार होता है लाइफ में दैट वी गेट लॉस्ट. हमें समझ नहीं आता कि हमारी ज़िंदगी का पर्पस क्या है. रोज़ का वही रूटीन, हैविंग दैट लिटिल काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग लाइफ. So if you make this a practice, it will ensure that whether you are living your life to the fullest or not, you will get an overview about your life. And at any particular point, if you find that in this particular path I am not doing well, take a break, sit. It's okay, it's completely okay to take a break, try to improve. Being little bit selfish about your own self is completely okay. नाउ अनदर पॉइंट इज इंटरेस्ट अवेयरनेस. ये जानना लाइफ में बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कौन सी चीज़ों में आपको इंटरेस्ट है. द थिंग्स यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, द थिंग्स विच अट्रैक्ट्स यू, बिकॉज इट इज़ दोज एक्टिविटीज़ दैट विल मोटिवेट यू द मोस्ट. if you are involved in things you are not passionate about, you will not be able to use your true potential. एंड कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हम जान नहीं पाते what we are actually capable of doing. So ask out for help if required. न अभी सब इम्पॉर्टेंट एडवांटेजेस क्या होते हैं सेल्फ डिस्कवरी के? सो यू विल बी मोर हैप्पियर एंड हेल्दियर इन लाइफ. यू विल बी clear about your thoughts and perceptions. You will come to know what holds you back and when it's time to take important choices in life, and eventually you will improve and grow. It will increase the level of your self-worth, and most importantly you will get a better sleep, trust me. So start spending time with yourself, face the difficult situation, analyze, and most importantly be honest with yourself. Finding passion isn't just about your career or money, it is about finding your authentic self. You will be every time someone else until you become yourself. So be yourself. And a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind.